Hey everyone, I am Arush Dikshit and you are watching Connect Tech Arush English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating technical videos like this. So let's get started. Today we are going to study about variables in Python. So let's get in our code editor. Here I have already created a file called underscore main.py. Here we are going to firstly check that we have done in every video. Hello world, print hello world. Print hello world means print hello world. Show hello world on the console. And if I run this, you will see this thing. Hello world is printed here. So now what are variables? Variables. So this hashtag means the comments. Hashtag means the comments in your Python code. In C++ you do this, in Java you also do this, and there are much more languages. You just do this. And this is for comment. Comment means that you are describing that this line is for this thing, and we are going to study about Python variables. So I have created a comments variables in Python. Either you can specify a information that is very useful, or you can specify the information that is not useful, just for making the code clean. I am just doing that. I am making the code clean here. Now what are variables? Variables are the storage that you have to use again and again. Suppose, let me just tell you with this. Suppose you have this memory, and in your memory you want little bit of space for storing some numbers or big calculation that you don't want to do again and again. So suppose you want to do 22 by 7, and it will store your information. Firstly let me show you with here. If you type Python, you will see an interface like this. Here you can run your Python code as you want. Suppose I run print hello world. But the problem of this thing is you can't save your code and it will run your code line by line. See, hello world is printed. Now we want that print 22 upon 7. Let's see what will happen. Here we have the value, but it is also not giving the value of 22 upon 7. So now the variables are those things that you can specify the storage for particular number or a string variable or boolean variables. I will tell you what are these variables. Just wait. Now let's start coding. We are saying that create a variable called a. Now here you have to, for the variable, here you have to specify the name, what you will call that. Suppose my name is Arush, then everyone call me Arush. So like that you have to call the variable at which name, and you have to put equal to after the name, and then you can put your value. That can be anything: boolean value, integer value, number value, string value. There are so much things in Python. So I am saying that a is equal to the name of that variable is a, and the value of that variable is 22, and there is a variable called b, and this is 7. Now we are saying that print a. We are using 22. We are creating an instance of a. And in that instance we are accessing that with the name called a. and this is how you can run from here. When you will do this, you will see 22. See, here we have 22, and if you print b here and we again run this thing, we have 7. Now after this, we can, let me show you a thing here. We have some operators in Python. We have some data types also, but firstly let's study about data types. Data types are integer, string, and boolean. Integer, numbers like 22, 7, 8, 19, 20, 292, this, and anything in number is an integer. And the strings are text value like Irish, computer, Python, and there can be more than one digit, suppose one letter, or you have more than anything you want in text is a string. Suppose I love Python, like this, and here we have boolean values. In boolean we have true, false. True means that's true thing, this is true, and false means that is false. Here we have like this thing, the first letter will be capital in boolean values, and let me show you step by step. Here we have an integer, suppose 22, and after that we have a variable called b. This is a, for the string we have to firstly pass double quote, then you can do anything in it, or you can pass single quotes instead of double quote if you want to use double quote in the string. So suppose I am using double quotes, my name is Irish, and after that we have a boolean, suppose true, and we are going to print like this. Here we have a, b and c like this, and separator will be this slash n. Now slash n means the enter between the lines, and we are printing ABC step by the loop. See, but that's not that we want in it. Let's see, we have this. Now we have done this all thing, and now our variable portion data types is also completed. In next video we will study about the operators you can perform in the variables or anything. And if you want to use IDLE, this is a trick. If you want to use a IDLE for quick running code, you can write Python in your CMD and you can write the code that you want. Suppose I write print, and in string we have to pass double quotes and the brackets. We have this. See, this is the very powerful thing in Python. And that's it guys, this is another video. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching the video.